Hey guys, it's Brandon, creator of Happily Dressed, a fashion blog dedicated to self-acceptance, self-confidence, and self-sufficiency, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I decided to make one of my followers something. At first, I didn't know whether it was going to be like a bag, a shirt, pant, etc. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll remember this competition I did a while back. And when I say a while back, it was a while ago. It just took me forever to actually make something. But I hosted a competition on my Instagram to guess my cart of my thrifted fabric to see how much it was, and the closest person would win some kind of handmade item from me. I feel like I'm talking too much, so without further ado, let's just get into the video. Wow, my forehead is huge. But hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am making women's trousers. So a while back on my Instagram, I had a little competition when I went thrifting for people to guess how much my whole cart of thrifted fabrics cost. And then I said I'd make the winner a prize. So the winner happened to be one of my coworkers. Her name is Hannah. She's so sweet. And today I am making her prize, her gift, her present. I'm very excited because I don't have her here to like measure and make sure things are right. I'm just gonna use a pattern. I thrifted a lot of vintage pants patterns, or pant patterns. So I'm gonna go through them, pick my best one. It's kind of dark over here, but this is just my drawer of like all the patterns that I just randomly find in thrift stores. I've bought a few, but they're just like this one. Look at that pant. See, that's very cute. You know what? This one might win. Waist 28, you know what? That's probably really a 27. No, but basically, I have so many patterns in here of just different things. So I ended up staying with this pattern. I have all the pieces laid out from front, back, waistband, etc. Pocket facings. Some are broken, but that's okay. I'm smart. I can deal with that. So now I'm gonna go pick my fabric. So I'm sure you guys did not know this, but I actually have a huge fabric rack in my room that I'm looking at now of just thrifted fabric that I've come across. There's actually only one fabric on here that I've actually bought from the store, and it's this Sherpa that I haven't even used, LOL. But right now it's very chaotic, but I have this whole rack of just thrifted fabrics that I wanna play with, and then I have even rolls of fabric as well that I don't know, it looks like I have an addiction from this chaos right here, but this has been accumulated from several thrifting trips. There's this red linen that I've been eyeballing for a while now, and I think Hannah would really like this, hopefully. But I think it's cool, so I'm gonna use that. Hopefully there's enough. And if I'm being honest, all I have right now is red thread. I'm like really low on a lot of little notions, so red will have to do. So now I have everything cut out and marked and ironed down, etc. There we go. So I'm very excited to get started, but that took me forever. Had to do an outfit change because I was getting hot, but I am hungry. So I'm just gonna go get some food, and I think when I come back, I'm gonna change my serger thread to red, since I'm making this for somebody else, and then start serging what needs to be serged and just get started on the easy stuff and then make everything else tomorrow. Good morning guys, it is the next day, and I finally replaced my serger thread. Realized I only had two. My ironing board looks dirty. Realized I only had two red threads, but it worked out because I just finished serging all the pieces, and the red is on the outside with the white stitching on the inside, so you won't see it. And honestly, reading these instructions is gonna be hard for me. I've tried to follow patterns in the past, and like reading the sheet is just not my forte for some reason. I just cannot get it, but I have hope for me. I'm a smart man, and I'm just gonna get started. So unfortunately for you guys, I was listening to music the whole time I sewed this together, and so I do not get a copyright flag on my video. You will be listening to this beautiful voiceover. Here I'm working on the front, ironing down the darts, and then I'm also going to be putting in the zipper. But yeah, so basically I'm just going to talk over some of this, and you'll hear from me soon. Cool, so I just finished the front. You can't really tell because I had the base stitch just down and it's all in the same red stitching, but honestly I thought the zipper was going to be the hardest part, but I did it, thank God. So it's in there, perfect. And I actually had a red zipper to match too. So now I'm going to work on the pockets. So like you heard from other Brandon, I am sewing in the pocket facings and the pocket bags. This part wasn't that hard to do. whatsoever. You kind of just follow the instructions and go for it. And that's what I did. And lastly, I am just putting the front and backs together, and then I'm going to try it on my sister, who happened to be at home as a fit model and around the same size as Hannah. Watch out, Nova. For some reason, y'all, these pants are taking me all day, but I have my sister trying them on. They zip, it's just the waist is so obviously it zip up, but I think I made the waistband way too small. I had to take a nap and everything. These pants have kicked my butt just because I don't have her here to like get the right measurements. But in the back, hold on. So in the back it looks kind of good with fit, which I'm very happy with. Obviously it's really long. Okay, turn back to the front. But all in all though, I'm loving how this linen is like laying, which is nice. And then, oh yeah, see, yeah, that's a problem. Having it stretched like that, it's gonna make it look bad. But anyway, I'm gonna fix the waistband and hopefully get it right. So I'm very nervous about the fit, but it is done. So I fixed it with a little extension and the button. I'm just scared it might not fit, but honestly, what you think, Brie? Oh, wait, yeah, you got your bonnet on. What you think, sis?
You know, I'm good. I wear these.
Yeah, they're cute.
If you want them, I'll take them.
Like the fit is very nice, so I'm using my sister as a fit guide to just see if they'll fit. But now it's time to get ready because I'm about to be late for the party. I know. Thank you. Oh, very cute, very cute. So as you can tell, I was definitely struggling making those pants. I think it took me a total of 3 days, maybe 2. I can't remember nowadays, but I know I had to take a nap in between because I was just so frustrated. I didn't know what was going wrong because the pant pattern was a 28 and yet it was too big to even fit me, and I'm definitely not a 28. But as you saw from the vlog footage, Hannah actually got to try them on and they were just a little too snug in the waist, so I took them back, added an inch to the waist, and I gave them back to her. All in all, in hindsight, I think I had a great time making those pants. It felt good to make something for somebody else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did. Hannah, thank you so much for guessing the right number and for being so patient with me as I wrap my brain around making something for someone else. If you're not, you can follow me on my Instagram. I might do more of these competitions. It's super fun to kind of just promote thrifting as a form of sustainability and also like reward people who guessed the right answer, I guess. But anyway, you can follow me at TheyBeHated and also at Happily Dressed. If you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below to see more videos like this one. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in my next one. See you guys later.